Now, in the world of local horse racing, a few moments have matched the sheer dominance and historical weight of Rideallday's victory in the 2025 Moutain Mile in a stakes record 1 minute 36 and 4/5. The race ran earlier this year at Caymanas Park, solidified the horse's reputation as a generational talent.
The tale of a very special horse as told by former owner Solomon Sharp as he praised the expertise of 14-time former champion trainer Philip Fiani, who thought Rideallday was a good prospect despite a minor issue.
So we went last year up to June. Mr. Fiani liked the horse. He's like, I'm not sure we're going to be able to get this horse because it's a quality horse, but he had some, funny looking feet. And, I at that point, I was telling him, hey, what about that one? What about that one? And he showed me all the little flaws that he saw that he didn't like. But this horse, he said he had a little flaw, but, he really liked him. He liked how he looked and, he just had a good eye. There was a Jamaican kid that was there that was around the horse that says, no, man, a good ass, buy the ass, a good ass.
And they went with their instincts.
We bought him, and all the way down I kept saying, Fiani, is this a Moutain Mile horse? He's like, we don't know, you never can tell. So we said, all right, we're going to try and, look at the 2-year-old race, but and then we take it from there.
Sharp says the plan was always to sell Rideallday. And while there were offers, his sire's stallion fee continued to increase, and he was sold at the right time.
Vecoma's stallion fee moving from 15 to 35, and next year is going to be at 100. It was like, oh my God, this is getting more and more. And then he's probably in Vecoma's top 20 earners right now.
And in time, things came together.
We've been trying to negotiate with these guys over 3 months now. And, women, might be a little bit tentative at times. So what if? And then after this sprint, I think we sealed the deal and we got the checks in and we got the set up a syndicate for them.
And the rest, as they say, is history. Now, a number of the new owners were making their debut at the track.
I am new to the horse racing business, so this was absolutely unbelievable for me, and I'm so glad to be here. It's my first time even being at Caymanas.
Oh, I'm just elated. It's my first time. And it's actually my first time to come to Caymanas to watch a race. So I am just actually overjoyed. It's been wonderful. With all these wonderful ladies, it's been just wonderful.
I'm exhilarated because it's a group of women who not necessarily would be friends otherwise, but we come together as one. Women rock. I'm not a woman's libber, but women are just as good as men.
I am so excited today. I couldn't have asked for a better outcome. It's the last race, and I'm going to be leaving here feeling awesome. And what is most important is that I'm doing it with the ladies, and we're all celebrating.
Friendship in life is important, so because of Solomon Sharp and Gary Peart, they suggested this to me, and I just, on a whim, said, let me try it and enter this world. Look at me now, I'm a winner.
I'm elated, and I'm certain she's very proud as I am standing here with all these beautiful ladies. Cheers.
The Moutain Mile carried a purse of US $350,000 or 45 million Jamaican dollars, with the connections pocketing $24.9 million. The 3-year-old grey importee Rideallday has 8 wins in 10 starts for lifetime earnings of over $31 million. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.